So I've broken this list up into basically two different sections. Sort of your basic essential items that you're going to need in order to start filming for YouTube or streaming. And then the sort of bonus items, things that you don't particularly need right away, but are pretty handy to have. So make sure you stick around through the video so you get to see the bonus items at the end. So let's get this thing started.
Okay, so the first thing you're definitely going to need is a microphone. And I've got actually three options here for you. This is the FDUCE USB Professional Studio PC mic with tripod. This is the first mic that I actually started using, and I've had no issues with it since. The only thing that you have to remember when recording with this microphone is that you should be talking into the front of the microphone and not into the top. It comes with this nice windscreen foam cover and a metal tripod stand. What's nice about this stand is that you can unscrew it and attach the mic to other compatible mounts. It's got a volume knob in the front, so basically you can adjust the gain, and it's also got a mute button. So all in all, I would definitely recommend this budget mic from personal use. And if you're looking to start off simple, this is probably the way to go. So this bad boy right here is the Movo VX-R10 universal video microphone. What I love about this microphone is that it's made of good, solid materials. The outside's made of solid metal, and I would definitely recommend picking this up. So in the box, you get a furry windscreen, so you can pop this bad boy right on the end. If you're out in the wind, it'll dampen all that noise. The little red part here is the shock mount, which stops vibration noise coming up from your phone or anything that you're doing from getting to the mic. And what's super nice about this mic is that it comes with both a TRS and a TRRS cable. The TRS cable is for hooking up to your camera, while the TRRS cable is for hooking up to your smartphone. On the bottom, it's got a cold shoe mount, and a cold shoe mount is basically this little flat part on the bottom that will slide right into any of your gear that accepts a cold shoe. That way you can pop it on and pop it off super fast. And it also comes with this nice little carrying bag to make sure nothing gets lost. Oh, and one of the best things about this mic is that when I bought it, and it's probably still going on, is there's a promotion to get a free lavalier microphone. Now, do you need a lavalier microphone? Not right away, but if it comes free, why the heck not? This is the one you get. It's the Movo LV1 USB lavalier microphone. All you have to do is take this little clip right here, pop it on your shirt or your lapel, and you're good to go. Now, one of the neat things about this microphone is that it comes with a little USB adapter. That way you can use it on your computer by either plugging it into the microphone port or using the USB adapter. And the good thing about the USB adapter is that it provides power to the microphone. And you can see on this Movo LV1, there's a little switch right here. There's a battery inside that allows you to basically turn the microphone on if it's not powered, or keep it off if you're able to provide power to the microphone. It's very convenient that both of them come with the standard microphone jack, but I happen to have an iPhone, so all I've got is a lightning port on the bottom. Well, thankfully, for a small price, Movo has provided these adapters. I have two of them here. One is the 3.5 millimeter to lightning adapter that I use for my phone. And one is the 3.5 millimeter to USB-C adapter that I use if I'm recording on my iPad. So all this right here gives you the flexibility that you need to be able to hook this mic up in any sort of situation. I mean, heck, to get a microphone and a lav mic together on a budget, it's a no-brainer. Now, the next thing you're going to want is some sort of tripod. This one that I picked up is actually a selfie stick that they turned into a tripod, which is pretty convenient. The reason I got it is that it's small and compact, but the stand part extends up to 64 inches. It's got 4 individually extendable segments, so you can decide exactly how high you want it to be. Each one has these quick flick locks that allow you to lock it in place. And on the top here, it has 180-degree flip, 360 angle adjustment. Now, you may not need a tripod. You can go ahead and take your phone and sort of balance it up against a shoe or something. But this one's super affordable, and it's going to save you a lot of headache. Now, I know the selfie tripod already comes with a phone mount, but on the off chance that you already have a tripod or you want something with a cold shoe mount on top, this is the Universal Phone Tripod Mount with Cold Shoe by ULANZI. The nice thing about this mount is not only does it have a cold shoe, but it has an adjustable clamp holder and it rotates so you can take horizontal and vertical. Super convenient to be able to swap between the two different orientations. So to fit your phone in here, all you have to do is push the little button on the side and it extends out to the full distance. Pop your phone in and close it up. It automatically ratchets down to make sure your phone is nice and tight and protected. Definitely something you want to consider if you want a little bit of extra convenience while you're setting up your rig. And this last essential item is quote unquote essential. It almost could go into the bonus area, but I think it's pretty important and super useful. It's the Chrome Lives Cold Shoe Mount Triple Shoe Mount Extension Bar. It allows you to expand from one cold shoe mount to 3, allowing you to put 3 devices into one mount. So for example, if you've got a microphone, a key light, and in my case, I'm actually using a microphone and my GoPro on the top. So that's it for the essentials. And in all its wondrous glory, here's everything that I just talked about snapped together to make one beautiful rig. You got the phone mount to hold your phone, the triple mount extender for additional cold shoe mounts, got the Movo microphone in one of the top mounts, and as an example, here's my GoPro in the other mount. This is the DesiView M7 mini ball head with a 1/4 inch screw hot shoe camera mount. Now what I love about this little adapter is that all you have to do is pop it onto your tripod and it gives you a really flexible mount with 360 degrees of rotating swivel and a 90-degree forward tilt. You just have to turn this locking rotary knob and you have the freedom to position whatever you connect to it in whatever position you want. It's also super nice that this ball mount has an additional cold shoe, and in case you have some other type of goodie you want to attach, it'll sure make your life a heck of a lot easier. I'm telling you, these cold shoe mounts are a godsend. Now, another bonus item that I'm going to recommend you have is a good pair of headphones. I would say that I edited about 4 or 5 of my first videos just using my speakers, and I was pretty disappointed when I went back and actually listened to the videos on headphones. It's just impossible to hear all the little details on just normal computer speakers. So my recommendation to everyone that I talk to are the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. They're over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. They're an absolute must-have for me when I'm editing my videos and trying to tune in the audio to make sure that it at least sounds decent. And the best thing about these is that they're affordable compared to some of the other noise canceling headphones out there that can get up into the $100 and $200 range. If you don't already have a good pair of headphones, check the description below and check out the Soundcore Life Q20s. And the very last bonus item is actually one of my favorites and one of the coolest gadgets that I've picked up. And for the price, I just couldn't pass it up when I saw it. It's the Zhiyun Smooth X Gimbal Stabilizer, an extendable, handheld iPhone and Android gimbal. Now, you definitely don't need a gimbal as a starter content creator, but if you're planning to do a lot of YouTube, vlogs, live videos, on-the-go videos, for the price, it's pretty baller. And if you got a couple extra bucks in your YouTube gear fund, I would definitely snatch this puppy up.
And that's it. That's all you need. Like I said, the basic essentials are you need a microphone, you need a camera, which you probably already have that with your cell phone, need a tripod, then toss in a couple of those other items as you see fit, and you're good to go. I really hope this list helped. And if it did, toss a like down below, hit subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos like this. I'll do gadget reviews, tutorials, help videos. In fact, if you have any questions, toss them down in the comments because I'll respond to every single one of them. And thanks so much for watching. Carl from Techful Goodies, out.